Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Brazilian waxing for beginners. So, let's get started with our complete Brazilian wax guide for beginners. First things first, let's talk about the benefits of Brazilian waxing. Not only does it provide a smooth, clean look, but it also helps to prevent ingrown hairs and reduces the appearance of hair. Plus, it's a great way to exfoliate the skin, leaving it feeling soft and smooth. Now, let's address some common concerns. Is Brazilian waxing painful? Well, it's important to remember that everyone's pain tolerance is different. However, the pain is usually minimal and only lasts for a few seconds. And don't worry, the sensation will subside quickly. Another concern is the risk of infection. While it's important to choose a reputable salon and follow proper aftercare instructions, the risk of infection is low. Just make sure to keep the area clean and dry, and avoid tight clothing or activities that might cause irritation. So, there you have it, folks, our complete Brazilian wax guide for beginners. We hope this has helped you make an informed decision about whether Brazilian waxing is right for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, take care.